Brickmaking often began early in the morning. Every brick journey started from the earth itself.
In the old era, brickmaking started by finding natural clay deposits.
Brickyards were always close to clay-rich land. Riversides were the main source of brick clay. Clay was dug completely by hand tools. Clay was carried manually to work areas. Workers spent hours digging in wet soil. Clay pits slowly grew deeper each dah.
No filters, only hands and eyes.
Rushing meant broken bricks later. Clean clay was essential for strong bricks. Entire families helped in clay preparation. Preparation mattered more than speed. Clay was soaked to increase flexibility. Proper moisture was critical. Soaking made shaping easier. Nature controlled the process. This was the foundation of brick quality. Workers followed a steady rhythm. Feet kneading replaced machines. Brickmaking demanded endurance. Clay was now ready for molding. Hands were used to achieve even clay texture. Clay was now evenly prepared. Experience guided consistency.
Natural materials shaped brick quality.
Sand prevented bricks from cracking. Local sand was commonly used. The mix was now mold ready. Clay softness was tested manually. No machines verified consistency. Small tests saved big losses. Quality was never rushed. Knowledge passed through generations. Molds shaped every brick by hand. Each mold created one brick at a time. Smooth edges ensured clean bricks.
Molds were reused daily.
Brick shaping was about to begin. Preparation saved time later.
No chemicals were used.
Small steps improved efficiency. Wet molds stopped clay from sticking. Brick shaping was ready to start. Workers carefully pressed clay into molds by hand. Even pressure was critical for strong bricks. No machines, only human skill shaped the bricks. Skilled hands ensured even filling. Only fully packed molds moved to drying.
Precision in leveling prevented cracks.
Clay surface was smoothed before removing from mold. Workers used steady hand pressure. Perfectly leveled bricks were ready for next step. Wooden strips replaced modern leveling machines. Freshly molded bricks were removed gently. Each brick was handled with care.
Manual labor defined brick quality.
Workers followed experience-based methods. Bricks were now ready to be sun-dried.
Proper spacing prevented sticking together.
Rotation ensured even drying. Bricks became firm before firing. Green bricks were laid out for initial drying.
Each brick was positioned evenly.
Bricks were turned to dry evenly. Experienced hands ensured perfect alignment. Sunlight reached all surfaces equally. No modern tools, only skill and effort.
Dried bricks were stacked for firing. Bricks were fired for hours until hardened. Bricks cooled naturally before handling.
Dried bricks were stacked for firing. Workers balanced bricks carefully. Bricks were arranged near the firing site. Uniformity helped in even firing. Brick stacks awaited the next process. Traditional clamp kilns were built manually. Villagers relied on fire, not electricity. Proper firing was critical to strength. Kiln firing preserved old methods. Bricks were fired for hours until hardened. Continuous firing was carefully managed. Wood or coal created consistent heat. Fire and smoke signaled proper firing. Manual firing was an art and science. Bricks cooled naturally before handling. Proper stacking prevented damage. Human labor powered the final step. Only quality bricks were sold. Bricks were finally ready for construction. Final quality check ensured durability. Only the best bricks were used in buildings. Workers verified color, shape, and hardness. Storage preserved bricks until construction. Bricks were now ready to become part of structures.